Good morning, guys. Today is June the 21st, Saturday, fishing the Georgia Bass Nation Kayak Series tournament here on Lake Russell. This is what I traded one day of my life for. There he is. There's a little one, but there you go. At least it's a darn fish. But I traded one day of my life for this. If you're gonna trade a day of your life, make sure it's doing something you enjoy doing if you can. Not very big, but he's enough to maybe get me on the board this morning. Russell's not known for a lot of big fish like some of the other lakes. They are big fish on Russell, but you catch a lot of little ones too. But still, any day on the lake is better than a day at work. I'm gonna measure him. I know he ain't much, but it only takes 12 inches to get on the board. I'm gonna work on getting a limit, and then I'll take and be more concerned on how big ones I can get after that. Right now, anything I get's going on the board if it's at least the 12 inches that's required. Shit. Well, I guess I'll measure that one. He's back in the water. Well, like I say, I'm gonna do better than that anyway, so the heck with it. Today I ended up catching over 40 fish. It was an interesting day, but the size just was not there. At the end of this video, you see where I ended up placing in this tournament. $6.83.